First, I'm going to take just a plain white eyeshadow for my whole eyelid. And after the white, I'm going to take a light pink for my crease because this is a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. So it's going to be some pink. And I'm going to take this light pink that I have. You can use any light pink that you want. So I'm just going to take a blending brush and I'm going to put that in my crease. After you're done blending the crease, you can go straight to your eyelid. I'm going to use this hot pink in my Jeffree Star's Beauty Killer palette. I'm not going to use an eyeshadow primer because Jeffree Star's eyeshadows are so good you don't even need a primer. So I'm just gonna go like that a few times and then pat it onto my eyelid. If you rub it like this, it's gonna be kind of sheer. So I always pat. I don't rub, I pat. And then I'm just gonna cover my whole eyelid. My whole eyelid is pink. So after your whole eyelid is pink, you're gonna go back to the shade to blend it, which is this light pink again. Some girls use like 10 colors to blend, but I just use one. So I'm just gonna use this light pink again to blend it. Because if you don't blend your eyeshadow, you're gonna look like you're in 6th grade. So keep blending it until you're happy with how it looks. And then the top is pretty much done. So I'm gonna take the hot pink again and my flat brush and I'm gonna go underneath my eye. And I'm gonna blow on it because I don't want to get fallout on my bag. It's especially bad when you're doing black eyeshadow and you get all that fallout. It's the worst. You can do it as thin or as thick as you want. I like to go kind of thick because I don't think thin makeup looks good on me at all. Or like subtle makeup. Again with the light pink. I'm gonna go under my eye to blend it, or this eye to blend it. And a good cheat if you mess up and you take like the eyeshadow too high, you can take some white on your finger and like go like that. And it will like soften it. Okay, so it's pretty much blended. If you like just pink eyes, you can do that and add eyelashes and mascara and then like black lipstick. Or if you want it to be more dark, you can add eyeliner, which I'm going to do. I make a triangle. And then I just fill in the triangle. And like I draw a line. That. And my eyeliner is always like crazy thick, like half my eyelid, but you can do yours however you want. And then I just start to fill that in. Don't open your eye yet because you'll get black like right here. I'm gonna use my NYX eyeliner because the Kat Von D one is like too freaking see-through. It's leaving all these dots. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend the Kat Von D eyeliner really. But right here. Then in my waterline, I take eyeliner and fill it in. So I'm taking the Kat Von D Basket Case eyeliner, which I love. And I use it to make the top darker too, because her ink eyeliner is just not doing it for me. I'm gonna just do mascara, and I curl my lashes. Even though I'm gonna put fake eyelashes, I'm still gonna like pound this stuff on. And I'm taking these Stardell 304s. They're beautiful. They were only $2. Oh my god, my eyes, like, please pull it off, Rosemary. Maybe it's just that duo glue. Now I'm gonna contour my cheeks. I don't use brown because it makes my white skin look dirty. So I use this gray eyeshadow by MAC. And since I forgot my blush brush upstairs, I'm gonna use my highlighter brush, which I'm gonna regret. Since this is very pink, I'm gonna take my Jeffree Star Platinum Ice Highlighter Kit. And this one's called Pink Chill. So I'm gonna take the side that I didn't get blush on and highlight a little bit with the pink one. And now I'm gonna take my ice cold Jeffree Star highlighter, and then I'm gonna take a lot because I like to be blinding. This is my favorite highlighter in the whole world. When your skin is white, it's like really hard to find a highlighter that like shows up. So then I take my pinky and I like to highlight under my eyebrow. And even though I hate my nose and it draws attention to my nose, I'm gonna put it on there because it's cute when girls highlight their nose. And I'll take my pinky and my pinky has black on it. Take this pinky and I'll do like the bridge and then I'll blend it. And then this makes my eyes water too, but I'll take highlighter on my finger and I'll put it in my inner corner, even though my eyes are gonna be crying, but not enough on this side. Sorry, I'm getting notifications on my phone. I'm trying to read it. Okay, so this is the shade Caviar by MAC. This is the best black lipstick I've used in my life. And like the applicator makes it so easy to draw on like fake lips. That's the finished look. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video and the makeup.